everyone. Myself Asar Agustini from grade 6. I would like to welcome our respected principal ma'am, Ms. Deepika Tandale, our supervisor, Ms. Rekha Tiwari ma'am, my coordinators, my teachers and all my dear friends and their supportive parents. I will be doing anchoring on the behalf of Tata House. As we all know, every year we have different topics. This year topic for the theme presentation is Corona आया और हमें क्या क्या सिखाया. Before starting this event, I would like to request Jyoti and Kundal for the prayer and seek blessings from Almighty.
My name is Kundal Kathodia. I study in grade 1. Let's start prayer. Vapratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Brahmaprabha Nirvedam Kurme Deva Sarvakaye Sarvada Sarvakaye Sarvada.
धन्यवाद ज्योतिराज कुंडल। अब गणेश चतुर्थी के बाद मैं टाटा हाउस के कैप्टन रुद्र प्रताप को बुलाना चाहूँगा। रुद्र प्रताप अपने भाषण से हमें कोरोना आया और क्या क्या सिखाया के बारे में ज्ञान देंगे।
Thank you, Kavya. So, hello everyone. I am Rudra Pratap Shukla from grade 8 and as well as captain of Tata House. I am today here for sharing some words on Mr. Jamshedji Tata and on our Tata House. Mr. Jamshedji Nushalvanji Tata was born on 3rd March 1839 in Navsari, Gujarat. He was a philanthropist and entrepreneur. He was the founder of Tata Group. He was born into a Parsi family and was the only son of Mr. Nushalvanji Tata. After completing his graduation in 1858 from Effilstone College in Bombay, he joined his father's export trading firm and helped him in developing different branches in China, Japan, US, Europe. In 1868, he founded a company that later evolved in Tata Group. In 1872, he focused on cotton manufacture and subsequently established his mills at Nagpur, Bombay, Kurla. He was a successful businessman. The black date in his life was 19th May 1904. The name of our Tata House is being decided from the life experiences of Mr. Jamshedji Tata as Tata House. So, being the captain of Tata House, I would like to give you highlights about the theme presentation. So, this year we got the topic of Corona आया और हमें क्या क्या सिखाया for the theme presentation. In this, we all students of grade 1 to 9 will show play, dance, will draw rangolis, sing poems and songs and will give you information about COVID-19 and many more activities. So my dear viewers, I hope you will enjoy this program and will stay connected with us till end. Thank you.
Thank you Rudra Pratap for the very informative speech. We dance for laughter, we dance for tear, we dance for fear, we dance for hope, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. Dance is the most beautiful form of expressions in human's life. Dancers are the messengers of God. I would like to request girls from grade 5 and 6 to perform their mesmerizing performance through dance.
नमस्ते नमस्ते हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते ए डोंट वरी सब हो जाएगा ठीक स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो डोंट बी वीक ज़मीर हम लोगों का मैला हुआ है इसीलिए वायरस ये फैला हुआ है सब स्टॉप हो गया सेंसेक्स ड्रॉप हो गया मत करो तुम इतना पैनिक डूब जाएगी फिर टाइटैनिक ट्रैवलिंग को रोक दो इस वायरस को ठोक दो जोक नहीं सीरियस है ये मैटर मिस्टीरियस है डोंट गो आफ्टर बकरी खाओ दाल सब्जी ज्यादा खाओ भीड़ भाड़ में कम जाओ ट्रिम हो जाओ जिम जाओ गले लगाना हाथ मिलाना सब छोड़ रही है पब्लिक दुनिया भर की अब हाथ जोड़ रही है हाथ जोड़ना बोले तो नमस्ते नमस्ते तुम भी सब करो ना फिर खुल जाएंगे रास्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते
कक्षा 5 और 6 के विद्यार्थियों आपने ज्ञानवर्धक एवं अद्भुत नृत्य प्रस्तुत किया। अब लॉकडाउन में कई लोगों का कारोबार बंद हो गया था, परंतु हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के भाषण से कई लोग प्रेरित हुए और आत्मनिर्भर बने। अब मेरा दोस्त रुद्र प्रताप शुक्ला हमें इस विषय पर एक नाटक प्रस्तुत करेगा।
टमाटर ले लो, भिंडी ले लो, धनिया ले लो, पालक ले लो, धनिया ले लो, पालक ले लो, बैंगन ले लो, हाँ भिंडी ले लो। इसे पहले से साल के रखा है, 60 रुपए। इसके 40, इसके 700। ना संतरा का मिला ही नहीं, बाजार में सारे संतरे खत्म हो गए। क्या आपके पास नहीं है?
आज चलो गिन लेता कितनी कमाई हुई। 50। चलो गिनते आज कितना रुपया कमाया। 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260। अरे चलो आज बहुत ही अच्छी कमाई हुई है। गांव वाले कहते थे शहर मत जाओ, शहर में क्या रखा है, पर उन गांव वालों को क्या पता शहर में कितने रुपए हैं। अब चाय पी लेता हूँ, फिर कोई काम करूँगा।
अंकल आपको पता है 21 दिन का लॉकडाउन हो गया कोरोना की वजह से।
चलो देख के आते हैं।
21 दिनों के बाद।
बहन जी कोरोना हो गया तो आप मुझे 4000 का कर्ज देंगी, मुझे अभी गांव जाना पड़ेगा इसलिए।
लीजिए भाई साहब, आपने जितने मांगे थे उतने दीजिए।
धन्यवाद बहन जी।
हाँ भैया, कहाँ तू चला है? हमारा लॉकडाउन हो गया।
तो अब गांव से शहर से तो गांव चले आए हो, तुम्हारा काम धंधा तो छूट गया, तो अब क्या करना है यहाँ रह के?
अब और क्या, अब हमारे पूर्वजों का काम आगे बढ़ाएंगे। बात से टोकरी डलिया और वो सब बनाएंगे। लोकल को ही वोकल बनाते हैं ना। आत्मनिर्भर लोगों से ही तो हमारा आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनेगा।
Thank you, Rudra Pratap. You are just awesome. Now hold your breath for such a melodious song which will surely teach us those 4 don'ts for the coronavirus. I would like to invite my friends from grade 7 for the melodious song.
चलो मिलकर एक शुरुआत करें, चलो एक फैसला आज करें। मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे। मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे। चलो एक इरादा करते हैं, चलो कुछ वादा करते हैं। चलो मिलकर साथ संभलते हैं, नई सच्चाई में ढलते हैं। साबुन को अपनाएंगे, धोएंगे हाथ और धुलाएंगे। रीति ये सिखलाएंगे, सबके बारे में सोचेंगे, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को।
दोस्तों इस अद्भुत गाने के लिए आप समझ गए ना, अगर मास्क नहीं तो हम टोकेंगे। अब आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं टाटा हाउस की वाइस कैप्टन पिकांशु प्रसाद को बुलाना चाहूँगा। वो हमें एक कविता सुनाना चाहती है।
नमस्ते, आज मैं पिकांशु 8वीं कक्षा की छात्रा आप सभी को कोरोना ने हमें क्या क्या सिखाया है पे विषय पर एक पोयम सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कोरोना ने हमें क्या क्या सिखाया है, उसने बहुत कुछ हमें स्वच्छता का महत्व समझना है, हमें ही रह जाए ना कमी कहीं भी, बिना कुछ दिए कुछ मिलता नहीं है, कुछ लेना है तो देना भी पड़ेगा, सिर्फ शरीर को स्वच्छ रखना काफ़ी नहीं है, पर्यावरण को भी शुद्ध करना पड़ेगा। गांधी ने दिखाया था स्वच्छता का रास्ता, जब चांद पर जाना मुश्किल नहीं है तो फिर सफाई करना मुश्किल हो सकता है क्या? बोलना तो सभी जानते हैं पर करके कोई नहीं दिखाता, अच्छा खाना चाहिए ये सभी कहते हैं पर कोई कर नहीं पाता, सेहत अपनी बढ़ानी चाहिए पर कोई दिखाए न तो करके, क्यों ना आज से ही शुरू करें ये सब, अगर हम सभी ये कर सकते हैं तब ही हम बना सकते हैं एक स्वच्छ भारत। विद्या जो ली है हमने स्कूलों से, आखिर वो कब काम आएगी जब हम अपने देश को ही स्वच्छ नहीं रख पाएंगे तो किस काम आएगी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Picasso, for such a beautiful poem. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you to realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. Making the courtroom, the captain of Tata House, Rudra Pratap, will give a PowerPoint presentation which will be very beneficial for all of us.
Hello everyone, I am Rudra Pratap Shukla here with a presentation which will guide you about coronavirus. So let's start it. कोरोना आया हमें क्या क्या सिखाया। कोरोना वायरस disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who fall sick because of COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate and recover without special treatment. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floors or surfaces. The time period for COVID-19, which is the time between exposure to the virus, becoming infected and symptoms onset, is on average 5 or 6 days. However, can be up to 14 days. During this period, also known as pre-symptomatic period, what are the symptoms of coronavirus? COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste. How can a person be cured? The median time from onset to clinical recovery for mild cases is approximately 2 weeks and is 3 or 6 weeks for patients with severe or critical disease. What prevention we should take? Wash your hands regularly with soap and water or clean them with alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain at least 2-meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. Practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large group of people. Here are some pictures of prevention for COVID-19. We wear masks because it can keep us safe while talking with a person, and masks can protect us from droplets which contain COVID-19 virus. Here are some lines for wearing mask. When in public, wear a mask. It's a tiny task. It helps keep us safe and sound, health and care all around. On your mouth and on your nose. Good to cover both of those. We have to wash hands. Washing hands can protect our hands from different type of bacteria, virus, etc. and get at the time of eating that virus and bacteria goes inside our mouth. We should wash food products, vegetables and fruits. Washing vegetables and fruit, it get protected by COVID-19. Before this pandemic, we are not washing, we are eating it directly. But from this pandemic, we understand why washing fruits is necessary. These all things we learn from this pandemic COVID-19. As people the world over are choosing to ditch the handshakes and hugs for fear of contracting the coronavirus, Namaste is becoming the perfect pandemic greeting. It shows our Indian tradition also. We have to stay home in this kind of pandemic because if we go out, we will get infected by this COVID-19. This pandemic teaches us that work is not only done in office, it can be done at home. If necessary, then only go out, or otherwise stay home, stay safe. This picture teaches us importance of cleanliness. Keep your hands clean as they can spread germs. Don't touch your face again and again. Do exercises and work out. Eat healthy food. Clean yourself, clean your surrounding, then you can clean our earth. These all things Corona have taught us. Thank you.
धन्यवाद दोस्तों इस अद्भुत और प्रेरित प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए। योग हमारे जीवन का महत्वपूर्ण भाग है क्योंकि स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का निर्माण होता है। और मैं मेरे दोस्त हार्दिक को कुछ शब्द योग के ऊपर कुछ शब्द बोलने और दिखाने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
Respected principal ma'am, dignified teachers and all my dear friends, I heard a colonel will tell about the impact of yoga during COVID-19. As the country battles the COVID-19 pandemic on war footings, India's traditional system of yoga has been established as the means to boost immunity, improve overall health and well-being. Lack of proper sleep, poor nutrition and leading a stressful life all lead to weakened immune systems and valuable ability to since. Now we will do yoga asanas. Let's start first yoga asanas, Padmasana. We have to sit like this and make a mudra and we have to close eyes. The advantages of Padmasanas are it's open our hips and it's clean our brain. We have to take breathe and remove after few seconds. The fourth asana, Trikonasana. First we have to make equal distance between two legs like this, and we have to take right hand and down and left hand and up like this, and we have to look up. The benefits of Trikonasana is is physically stability. Now we will do on the other side. We have to make left hand and down and right hand and up. And we have to look at up. Now we have to come in positions and relax. Thank you. Do second asana, third asana. First we have to make equal distance between two legs and we have to stand on our toes and we have to take our both hands up like this and stretch up and then we have to close eyes and now we have to take breathe and remove after few seconds. Now we have to open our eyes and we have to relax. Third asana, Bhujangasana. We have to sleep like this. Now we have to stretch up our hands like this and we have to look up and focus on one point. And we have to stretch our stomach. The benefits of Bhujangasanas are it stretches shoulders, abdomens, Now we have to come back like first positions and we have to stand up.
Thank you, Hadil. That was indeed a lovely posters. How captivating. Now let me call Adia from grade 2 to recite the poem. This poem is based on different festivals which we all have celebrated in different manners this year. Yes, I am talking about Diwali.
सुप्रभात, दिल से दिवाली मनाएंगे, दिए हम जलाएंगे, घर को खूब सजाएंगे, पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे, लक्ष्मी को पूजेंगे, खुश होकर हम झूमेंगे, पर्यावरण को रखेंगे स्वच्छ साफ, तब होगी मानवता की जय जयकार। मिठाइयाँ हम खाएंगे, पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे, इको फ्रेंडली दिवाली हम इस बार मनाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद आद्या, तुमने हमें इको फ्रेंडली दिवाली मनाना सिखाया। दिवाली में लोग अपने घरों को रंगोली से सजाते हैं जिससे लक्ष्मी माता उनके घर पधारे और उन्हें सुख समृद्धि दे। आज मेरी दोस्त चांदनी हमें एक सुंदर रंगोली बना के दिखाना चाहती है।
Good morning and a very happy Diwali and New Year to all my respected teachers and sirs. Myself, Chandni Patel from class 9. So I'm here to tell you that this time we have to celebrate Diwali safely and securely. We have to maintain social distance and be sanitized. Even the smoke of firecrackers is deadly poisonous. That's why avoid firecrackers this time. Because due to COVID-19, we have to protect ourselves and by sanitizing. So thank you and wishing you very happy and safe Diwali and New Year. So now I am going to complete my rangoli in few minutes. Hope you all have listen the videos and follow all the tips. I have completed my rangoli.
We know that this pandemic and lockdown had made a huge loss in terms of health and wealth. But if we think in a positive side, it also gave us a very wonderful time which we missed. Such a wonderful time we all have spent with our family members. Let's have a look at one such family living happy.
Good morning, Maneral. My name is Roshan Lotan. I live in joint family. There are 4 families. One family live in Vrindavan, 3 are here in Navsari. I hope you and your family are fine. So as lockdown was there, but I have enjoyed my lockdown with created memories with family and neighbors with care, and I am sharing you my experience of lockdown. My morning starts from Mama's voice. I wake up at 9 am and I used breakfast with family, and I am helping my mama by helping like taking care of my younger brother Heyansh, help in kitchen. My Dadu used to tell her his past life and stories. My Dadi used to tell my father's childhood events. My Papa, while returning at home in evening time, bring some surprises for me and my brother Heyansh. And I studied new things on internet, too missing that school days. Playing with friends, sharing bench, eating food with friends. But I have enjoyed my lockdown. Was my lockdown memories, and I enjoy my lockdown with the 4 entertainment and entertainment. हम साथ साथ हैं.
Thank you, Roshan. You all have a very good morning. And finally, I would like to request you all to stand up at your place for the national anthem. I would like to request Izad from grade 1 for the national anthem. Thank you.
सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, धरती पे पहिए भागेंगे, कूदेंगे, खेलोगे, मेला
myself Amar Parekh, I deem it to a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Tata House. First and foremost, I would like to thank our respected principal madam, Mrs. Deepika madam, for all the faith she showed to make this event successful. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our supervisor, Mrs. Rekha madam, for her valuable contribution. We are grateful to our teachers of our Tata House, Mrs. Anita madam, Mrs. Rekha madam, Mrs. Jayshree madam, Miss Hitiksha ma'am, and myself for the encouragement and the work they have done to make this event successful. A special thanks to Rudra Pratap Shukla, who had worked very hard to take this event in a very special way, and also all the students who have participated and took this event in a very huge successful. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our parents who have supported us and who have cooperated in all the events to make this in a very successful way. Thank you very much. In this, I would like to hand my vote of thanks. Thank you.